much, much.
More, most.
In negative sentences, much is used to say that there is not a large amount of something.
She doesn't earn much money. Peter didn't say much in the meeting. Is there any wine left? Not much.
A large amount of something, often more than you want.
I'd love to come, but I've got too much work. I've had so much food.
Fast, fast.
Fast, fast.
Moving or happening quickly.
We ran as fast as we could. The accident was caused by people driving too fast in bad conditions.
Probably, probably.
Probability, probable, probably.
Used to mean that something is very likely.
I'll probably be home by midnight. I'm probably going, it depends on the weather. He probably didn't even notice.
By, by.
Used to show the person or thing that does something.
She was examined by a doctor. We were amazed by what she told us. I'm reading some short stories, written by Chekhov.
Used to show how something is done.
They traveled across Europe by train or car. She did the decorating, all, by herself. Do you wish to be paid in cash or by check?
Not later than, at or on or before.
She had promised to be back by 5 o'clock. The application must be in by August 31st.
Used when you say something new or on a different subject.
I think we've discussed everything we need to. By the way, what time is it? Oh, by the way, my name's Julie.
Another, another.
Another, another.
One more person or thing, or an additional amount.
I'm going to have another piece of cake. Would you get me a bar of chocolate from the kitchen? Another one? For another £30, you can buy the model with remote control.
A different person or thing of the same type.
She's finished with that boyfriend and found herself another one. Do you want to exchange this toaster for another one, or do you want your money back?
Else, else.
In addition to someone or something.
Would you like anything else to eat? What else did he say? The book definitely isn't here. Where else should I look?
Different from someone or something.
I don't like it here. Let's go somewhere else. If it doesn't work, try something else. It's not my bag. It must be someone else's.
Other things or people.
I forgot my toothbrush, but I remembered everything else. I turned up in my jeans and everyone else was dressed really smartly.
Per, Per.
For each.
The meal will cost $20 per person. The car was traveling at 70 miles per hour, 70 miles per hour. There are more cafes per square mile here than anywhere else in the country.
Ring. Ring.
A round piece of jewelry that you wear on your finger.
A wedding ring. He bought her a diamond ring.
To telephone someone.
If you want anything, just give me a ring.
To telephone someone.
Have you rung your mother? I rang earlier but you were out. Can you ring for a taxi?
A spoon. A spoon.
Spoon. Spoon.
An object with a handle and a round, curved part at one end, used for eating and serving food.
Could I have a spoon, please?
Information. Information.
Information, inform, misinform, informative.
Facts about a situation, person, event, etc.
To find out or get information. Do you have any information about or on train times? I read an interesting bit or piece of information in the newspaper.
Dessert. Dessert.
Desert. Desert.
A large, hot, dry area of land with very few plants.
The Sahara Desert. They were lost in the desert for 9 days.
Camp. Camp.
Camp, camping, camp.
To stay in a tent or temporary shelter.
We camped near the beach for 2 nights. Stomachache. Stomachache.
Pain in your stomach.
I've got terrible stomachache.
Instrument. Instrument.
An object that is used for playing music, such as a piano, guitar, or drum.
They all brought musical instruments with them. Which instrument do you play?
Businesswoman. Businesswoman.
Businesswomen.
A woman who works in business, especially if she has a high position in a company.
She is a successful businesswoman.
Plural. Plural.
A word or form which expresses more than one.
Geese is the plural of goose. Woman in the plural is women.
Normal. Normal.
Norm, normality, normal, abnormal, normally.
Usual, ordinary, and expected.
A normal working day. Lively behavior is normal for a 4-year-old child. It's normal to argue with your partner now and then.
Building. Building.
Building. building,
builder, building, build, rebuild.
A structure with walls and a roof such as a house or factory, or the business of making these.
Beautiful old buildings. An office building. He started off in the building trade before opening his own restaurant.
worried, worried,
Worry, worried, worrying.
Anxious because you are thinking about problems or unpleasant things that might happen.
She's really worried about her son. I'm worried that someone will find out. She was sitting behind her desk with a worried expression or look on her face.
gold, gold,
gold, gold,
Gold, golden.
A valuable, shiny, yellow metal used to make coins, jewelry, etc.
The bracelet was made of solid gold.
Made of gold.
Gold jewelry.
Being the bright yellow color of gold.
Gold paint.
shout, shout,
shout, shout,
To say something very loudly.
Look out, she shouted. I was angry and I shouted at him. I shouted out her name but she didn't hear me.
lend, lend,
Lent, lent.
To give something to someone for a short period of time, expecting it to be given back.
She doesn't like lending her books. If you need a coat I can lend you one or lend one to you.